This is the Hawks Adventures Art Pack Configurator. Start by exploring the catalogue by theme. Browse subject areas, see how many images are available, and open any theme directly in the configurator. Click a theme to enter. The collection loads immediately. Use filters to narrow further. Portrait scenes, battle compositions, architectural environments. Select the images you want. Choose your resolution. The configurator tracks your pack and calculates pricing as you go. When your selection is complete, confirm and build. Your downloadable art pack is ready within minutes. For individual prints, open any print-eligible image and order a fine art canvas or paper print delivered to your door. Build your custom historical art collection at hawksadventures.com.